Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make informed buying decisions. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular robot vacuum and mop combos, the Roborock Q7 Max and the ZCWA robot vacuum and mop combo. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top in terms of features and performance. When it comes to suction power, the Roborock Q7 Max takes the lead with its incredible maximum suction power of 4,200 pascals. This means it can easily lift debris and pet hair from floors, drag it from cracks, and draw it from carpets. Additionally, it automatically increases suction to the maximum when it detects a carpet, ensuring deep cleaning. On the other hand, the ZCWA robot vacuum and mop combo offers a respectable 1,400 PA suction power, which is still effective for most cleaning tasks. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that can also mop your floors simultaneously, the Roborock Q7 Max is the winner here. With its electronic pump and 30 water flow levels, you can fine-tune the cleaning to match your floor types and preferences. This feature allows for a more thorough cleaning, especially for getting rid of fine dust that vacuuming alone might miss. While the ZCWA robot vacuum and mop combo also has a mopping function with a 230 ml electric control water tank, it doesn't offer the same level of customization as the Q7 Max. When it comes to navigation, the Roborock Q7 Max boasts PreciSense Lidar navigation. This advanced technology allows the Q7 Max to build precise 3D maps of your home, making its cleaning routes more efficient. You can even virtually recreate your home by adding furnishings and flooring materials in the accompanying app. On the other hand, the ZCWA robot vacuum and mop combo features intelligent obstacle avoidance, allowing it to identify and avoid obstacles such as walls and stairs. While it doesn't offer the same level of mapping capabilities as the Q7 Max, it can still effectively navigate your home and keep it clean. In terms of capacity, the Roborock Q7 Max combines a 470 ml dustbin and a 350 ml water tank. This means you can clean more without worrying about emptying or refilling as frequently. On the other hand, the ZCWA robot vacuum and mop combo doesn't specify the exact capacity of its dustbin and water tank, so keep that in mind if you have larger cleaning needs. When it comes to battery life, both products offer impressive run times. The Roborock Q7 Max can run for up to 180 minutes on a single charge, thanks to its specially designed battery. This allows it to cover a maximum vacuuming area of 3,229 square feet. Similarly, the ZCWA robot vacuum and mop combo provides a runtime of 100 minutes in a 1,290 square feet house. Both options offer sufficient battery life for most cleaning tasks. Based on online reviews, customers have had mixed experiences with both products. Some reviewers praise the Roborock Q7 Max for its powerful suction, versatile vacuuming and mopping capabilities, precise navigation, and spacious dustbin and water tank. On the other hand, the ZCWA robot vacuum and mop combo receives positive feedback for its effective cleaning, convenient vacuuming and mopping features, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and sufficient battery life. It's important to note that individual experiences may vary, so it's recommended to check the latest customer reviews before making a purchase. And there you have it, a comparison between the Roborock Q7 Max and the ZCWA robot vacuum and mop combo. While both products have their strengths, it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. If you prioritize powerful suction, simultaneous vacuuming and mopping, and advanced mapping capabilities, the Roborock Q7 Max might be the better choice for you. On the other hand, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with intelligent obstacle avoidance and decent cleaning performance, the ZCWA robot vacuum and mop combo could be a suitable option. As always, don't forget to check the latest prices and customer reviews before making your final decision. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay smart when you buy.